Here is NUCIDA's weekly forecast of expected post activities in the realm of software quality on social media channels for week 10 of 2026. Our analysis is based on the social media post data from LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and other internet sources released last week, which revealed dynamic daily changes. I'll leverage the provided web results, which cover software quality trends for 2026, and combine them with logical extrapolation of ongoing conversations in the tech community. The ranking is based on the prominence of topics in recent publications, their relevance to current software quality challenges, and their engagement potential on the mentioned platforms. Each topic's ranking reflects its immediacy, impact, and discussion volume, with reasons for placement and a forecast for future trends included. So, what will be the top 10 hot topics this week? Buckle up and let's start the countdown. Topic number 10 is the rise of low-code and no-code testing platforms. These platforms appear frequently in recent blog posts and trend reports published in February of 2026, as well as in LinkedIn discussions where professionals share success stories about democratizing quality assurance for non-technical team members. YouTube videos on software testing trends also highlight their growing adoption this week, while general internet searches show increased traffic to tool comparisons. The ranking reflects moderate but steady engagement compared with more advanced artificial intelligence topics, yet still positions it as a gateway trend for broader accessibility in quality practices. My advice is that teams should evaluate these platforms by starting with simple user interface flows in pilot projects and combine them with manual oversight to ensure accuracy while building internal training programs that focus on visual scripting rather than deep coding skills. This approach helps organizations scale quality efforts without overwhelming existing staff, and fosters collaboration between developers and quality engineers. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that integration with major continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines will improve rapidly, leading to wider uptake in small and medium-sized enterprises and more vendor announcements of enterprise-grade features that address current limitations in complex scenario support. Topic number 9 is the emphasis on application programming interface first contract testing. This topic surfaces in recent software testing roundups on LinkedIn and dedicated blogs that discuss its role in preventing integration issues in microservices architectures, with mentions spiking in February of 2026. Internet articles and YouTube content on quality engineering trends reference it as a practical extension of existing automation practices, and X posts from quality professionals share real-world examples of reduced deployment failures. My advice is that organizations should incorporate contract testing early in the development cycle by selecting tools that support schema validation and versioning, while training teams to treat contracts as living documentation that evolves with services. This builds resilience into distributed systems and minimizes costly rework during later stages. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that adoption will expand as more teams migrate to cloud-native environments, with tools offering enhanced visualization and automated contract generation becoming standard in popular frameworks. Topic number 8 is performance engineering integrated into the core development loop. Discussions on this appear in recent quality engineering blogs and LinkedIn summaries of 2026 trends, where experts stress moving beyond traditional load testing to proactive optimization. YouTube channels covering software testing trends dedicate segments to it this week, and general internet searches reveal growing interest in embedding performance checks within continuous integration processes. My advice is that leaders should embed performance metrics into daily stand-ups and use lightweight monitoring tools from the outset of projects, while encouraging cross-functional collaboration between developers and performance specialists to identify bottlenecks early. This prevents performance debt from accumulating and aligns quality with business speed goals. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that more organizations will adopt unified dashboards that combine performance data with quality metrics, resulting in tighter feedback loops and fewer production incidents related to scalability. Topic number 7 is embedded security and compliance practices within quality assurance. This gains traction through February articles on DevSecOps evolution and LinkedIn posts highlighting regulatory pressures with specific references in 2026 trend reports. YouTube videos on software quality changes mention its integration with testing pipelines, and X conversations among security-focused quality engineers show practical tool recommendations. My advice is that teams should automate security scans within existing test suites and conduct regular compliance audits using shift-left principles, while documenting findings in shared repositories to build organizational awareness. This creates a culture where security is viewed as part of quality rather than an afterthought. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that regulatory frameworks will drive mandatory integration points, leading to specialized compliance automation tools gaining market share, and more enterprises reporting measurable reductions in vulnerability exposure. Topic number 6 is shift-right observability for quality monitoring. Recent blogs and trend analyses published in February of 2026 emphasize production monitoring as a complement to pre-release testing, with strong mentions on LinkedIn and in quality community discussions. Internet resources and YouTube forecasts for software testing highlight real-time data usage, while X threads share case studies of improved issue detection. My advice is that quality teams should implement synthetic monitoring alongside real user analytics and establish clear thresholds for alerting, while training staff to interpret observability data in the context of business impact. This extends quality responsibility into production and enables faster remediation. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that observability platforms will incorporate more predictive analytics, allowing teams to anticipate quality degradations before users notice them, and accelerating the shift from reactive to proactive quality management. Topic number 5 is human-in-the-loop approaches in artificial intelligence testing. This topic features prominently in expert panels and articles from early 2026, with LinkedIn roundups and YouTube videos stressing the need for oversight in probabilistic systems. Internet discussions and recent X posts from quality leaders underscore its importance in maintaining accountability amid rising artificial intelligence adoption. My advice is that organizations should design review workflows where artificial intelligence suggestions require human validation for critical paths, while documenting decision rationales to refine models over time. This balances speed gains with reliability and builds trust in artificial intelligence-assisted processes. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that hybrid tools will emerge, offering seamless collaboration interfaces, leading to standardized human-in-the-loop protocols across industries and reduced errors in artificial intelligence-driven test outcomes. Topic number 4 is self-healing test automation frameworks. Multiple February blogs and 2026 trend reports discuss these frameworks as solutions to maintenance challenges, with high visibility on LinkedIn and in quality engineering forums. YouTube content on automation trends covers their practical benefits this week, and general internet searches indicate rising interest from teams struggling with flaky tests. My advice is that teams should pilot self-healing capabilities on stable regression suites first, and monitor healing accuracy rates while combining them with version-controlled test data to maximize long-term stability. This reduces ongoing maintenance overhead and allows focus on strategic quality initiatives. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that integration with major artificial intelligence coding assistants will mature, resulting in broader enterprise adoption and measurable decreases in test maintenance time across large code bases. Topic number 3 is risk intelligence and risk-based testing strategies. This ranks highly in recent quality assurance publications and LinkedIn expert threads from February of 2026, where speakers link it to business-aligned quality outcomes. Internet articles and YouTube summaries of software testing evolution highlight its strategic shift, and X discussions among leaders share prioritization frameworks. My advice is that quality leaders should map business risks to test coverage using historical data and stakeholder input, while regularly updating risk models based on production feedback. This ensures testing efforts target the most impactful areas and optimizes resource allocation. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that artificial intelligence enhanced risk scoring tools will become commonplace, enabling dynamic test prioritization and helping organizations achieve higher quality with fewer overall test cases. Topic number 2 is specialized testing for artificial intelligence systems and large language models. Discussions surge in 2026 reports and LinkedIn summaries, with emphasis on non-deterministic behaviors and dedicated YouTube videos addressing validation challenges this week. Blogs and internet resources explore governance needs, while X posts from practitioners detail emerging techniques. My advice is that teams should develop dedicated test suites for model drift and bias detection, while collaborating with data scientists to incorporate domain-specific scenarios and maintain comprehensive audit trails. This ensures artificial intelligence components meet reliability standards comparable to traditional software. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that standardized benchmarks and tools for large language model testing will proliferate, leading to regulatory alignment and more organizations embedding artificial intelligence quality checks into their core pipelines. Topic number 1 is agentic artificial intelligence and autonomous testing agents. This dominates conversations across X posts, LinkedIn articles, YouTube forecasts, and blogs in late February of 2026, with multiple sources naming it the leading trend, and NUCIDA Group weekly forecasts confirming its top position in social and professional discussions. Recent videos and reports describe platforms that manage end-to-end workflows autonomously, generating widespread excitement and practical implementations. My advice is that quality professionals should begin by integrating lightweight autonomous agents for repetitive tasks such as regression and exploratory testing, while establishing governance rules for human approval on critical decisions, and investing in upskilling for oversight roles. This leverages speed advantages without sacrificing control and positions teams for future scalability. The prediction for the development of this topic within the next 3 months is that agent capabilities will expand to include multi-step decision-making across complex environments, with early enterprise case studies demonstrating significant reductions in testing cycle times and paving the way for broader autonomous quality platforms. In looking ahead to 2027 and 2028, the next major topics in software quality will likely center on fully autonomous quality governance platforms that operate with minimal human intervention, alongside integration of quantum computing for advanced simulation-based validation. Global regulations will enforce stricter standards for artificial intelligence quality assurance, creating demand for ethical governance specialists, while sustainability metrics such as energy-efficient testing practices will emerge as key differentiators. Overall, the field will evolve from reactive assurance to predictive and self-optimizing systems that treat quality as an embedded intelligent layer within all software ecosystems. Hopefully, this video gives you additional insights. What do you think about the hot topics this week? Write your views in the comments section below. In terms of further questions, feel free to write to us. We will analyze all important internet channels and release our analysis report every Monday. Follow or subscribe to this channel to stay up to date and know more than your competitors. Happy testing, and see you next time.